here tonight, late night, open up 9 roses here. Package from George Brio guys. Some up from hope y'all like some up. Yeah. Open up. Back and got 9 roses here, open it up here. Already up back guys. Head that flew off of her 9 rosa Amazon. New wrapping around 9 rosa. I'm gonna give a figure a 5 out of 7 stars already. Paper off around here. Alright guys, I have one loose leg, loose arms here, body for 9 rosa figure. Loose body on the figure guys. And we got a nerve belt, nerve AEW belt. Head pop on, back on the figure, 9 rosa figure. Figure you guys at least 6 out of 5 star figure. Pretty cool. Cool actions for guys. So arms, head keep falling off. Yeah, gonna be a 5 out a 6 star figure. Amazon, but $9 can't beat it. Head won't come back on. So we're not Rosa guys. I'll give it a 5 out of a 6 star figure. Yeah, can't sign up. So yeah, see you guys next AEW individual opening. Peace out.